2020 saw the start of a global health pandemic attributed to the coronavirus. A crucial part of the solution to fighting the spread of COVID-19 is vaccination. Due to several factors such as misinformation and a lack of understanding of how vaccines, particularly mRNA vaccines, work, people have been hesitant to get booster vaccinations for COVID-19. Low vaccination rates are a problem, because vaccines are most effective when a large percentage of the population receives a vaccine to achieve herd immunity. To combat this problem, education on how mRNA vaccines work can be improved to relieve vaccination hesitancy. mRNA COVID-19 vaccines work by introducing mRNA into the body that cells use as blueprints to build spike proteins. The assembled spike proteins are similar to the exterior of the coronavirus and can be used by your immune system to prepare for future viral infections. Spikeforce is a virtual reality game developed for MetaQuest 1 and 2, and also has a fully playable desktop PC version that can be played without a VR headset. Spikeforce takes players through the various stages of the mRNA COVID-19 vaccine. Players are tasked with helping the vaccine work more effectively by directly assisting the body at each step of the vaccine's effect. To help facilitate learning, each level contains gameplay instructions that describe what the player needs to do and why it will help the body build immunity to COVID-19. The first level starts with players assisting the body absorb mRNA lipid nanoparticles introduced to the body at the vaccine injection site. Players are given a multi-tool that can absorb particles and fire them into one of the body's cells. Level 1 helps demystify the vaccine's contents and shows players how mRNA in the vaccine is introduced to the body's cells. Proteins in the body are assembled by factories in the cell called ribosomes. In Level 2, players use the mRNA from Level 1 to assist the body in building spike proteins by guiding the required building blocks of proteins called amino acids into the ribosome. Before finished spike proteins can exit the cell, they must first be packaged by the Golgi apparatus and navigate out of the Golgi's maze-like structure before being excreted by the cell. In Level 3, players help package spike proteins escape the Golgi apparatus. At the microscale, the inside of your body is like a battlefield. In Level 4, players help the immune system fight off an incoming COVID infection using spike proteins developed in the previous levels. Level 4 shows players how spike proteins can help arm the immune system to fight off COVID-19 infections by directly showing them how B cells can learn to recognize COVID by being exposed to spike proteins. By actively participating in the cellular level responses triggered by the mRNA vaccination, players will learn how spike proteins can train your immune system to fight COVID-19 and how the mRNA vaccine can use your body's cells to construct them. Educating players on how the vaccine works demystifies the inner workings of the mRNA vaccine and can reduce vaccine hesitancy.